Hello, my name is Dylan, and this is the app I did for Unit 4, Lesson 14 on code.org, where I had to make my own decision-making app. So what the app I made was the decision to help you what video game you should play after work or school. And these have different drop-down menus to choose what decision you want based on what time you have, what genre you want to play, what age you are, and what type of system you have. So here's an example. If I have 5 hours to play and I want to play a shooter, I am 23 years old and I have PS4, it will tell me I can play Call of Duty. And it makes a little noise music when you press the button. So the way this works is I had to make 4 variables for these four drop down menus. I'll explain the score one later. And each one I had to make different if statements because there was different types of outcomes that can happen. So this whole section right here is for the Xbox section. As you can tell, if the type of system would equal to Xbox. And yeah, if the time were to be greater than or equal to 1 hour, these all have to be true so that this text right here can display. Same as the PS4 and the other 4 systems. But another thing I added was, let's use the same example that I wanted to do. But what happens if I was 13 years old? What would happen? Well, it would tell me that I'm not old enough because a 13-year-old can't really play shooter games because they're pretty violent. So after that, I also decided to make a game within my game. And I just added this little coin feature, like if it were to be Mario. So it would just move around. And if you would want to end the game, you just press end game and it will reset the score to 0. The way I did that was by making the first variable score equal to 0 and then update the variable in each event block. So this event block would be score plus 1. So each time I move my mouse is over the coin, it gives me 1 plus score. And on the event game block, when I press it, the score resets back to 0 because I changed the variable score into equal to 0. So the inputs would be the drop-down menus right here, and the output would be the display feature as well as the score display feature. The inputs would be the buttons as well, and yes, this is my app. Thank you.